Welcome to Mechanical Engineering Internships on BIW Fixture Design. In this video, I will demonstrate how to check the design of the final assembly of the drill jig in Catia V5. If you want to enroll in this internship certification course, visit elearn.royal-mechanical.com. The link is in the description box of this video. Let me start checking the design of the final assembly of the drill jig in Catia V5. Please follow along. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Use the dynamic sectioning tool to take a cross-section of the drill jig and check the assembly. Observe the mismatch between the stud and the threaded hole on the base plate. Observe the gap between the strap and the workpiece. Observe the threaded hole to clamp the side locator assembly is missing on the base plate. Observe the holes on the base plate to assemble the front locator assembly. The jig plate assembly is not designed correctly. Use the dynamic sectioning tool to take a cross-section of the drill jig and check the assembly. In the next video lesson, I will demonstrate how to correct the defects in the drill jig design.
RoyalMechanical.com offers job and industry-oriented courses for mechanical engineers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing. Thanks.